Hello students, we will see question number 14 of exercise 6.3. The question is, side AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ, PR and median PM of other triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, right? So, this is similar to question number 12. We'll draw triangle ABC. Here we have A, B, C. Next one, triangle PQR, right? PQR. Yes, triangle ABC, triangle PQR. Yes. Now, what is given? So, in given, it is given AB upon PQ, right? AC upon PR and median AD upon PM. This is given. Okay. Now, this is D, right? And this is M. Okay. So we'll write here what AB upon PQ equals to what AC upon PR equals to what AD upon PM. Yes, it is given. Now what to prove? हमें prove क्या करना है? हमें prove करना है to prove. We need to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So how to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR? See now, proof. And if construction is required, then yes. So first we know we need to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, if construction is required, we will give the space construction if required. Okay, and then proof. Now if you see this figure, can we prove these two triangles similar by SSS, SAS or angle? By angle not possible, we cannot prove, right? Now you have AB and AD are what? Proportional to PQ and PM. Can you show QM and BD? No. This side also you cannot show. Yes, nothing you can do now, nothing. So when you can't do nothing, do the construction. Yes, from the given data, if you can't do anything, do the construction. The construction, see how? We know BD equals to DC because AD is a median and QM equals to MR. And this side is AD. Can we construct like this? AD extend up to point E such that AD equals to right? AD equals to D. Okay, AD equals to D. We will construct like that. Okay. Now if you see, if AD equals to D and BD equals to DC, which property you are recalling? Yes, last year we have studied the theorem. Yes, in parallelogram or quadrilaterals. In quadrilaterals, yes, if diagonal of quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. So we can prove ABEC is a parallelogram. Then our work will be easy. Same we have to do here. Extend M up to N such that you will get this as parallelogram. Yes. So see, construction. Draw or extend, we will say, right? Extend AD up to E. Okay, E is also coming there only. Extend AD up to E such that AD equals to D. Similarly, extend PM up to N such that हमें क्या मिल रहा है? PM equals to MN, right? So we can say BD equals to DC as AD is a median a median, and AD equals to what? D by construction, you can say, by construction, right? Yes. So name this as 1, name this as 2. You can see your diagonal is bisecting each other, right? BD equals to DC and AD equals to D. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, you can say ABEC is a parallelogram. Therefore, ABEC is a parallelogram, right? And you can say opposite sides are equal of parallelogram. Okay. So can we say AC equals to BE and name this as third, and AB equals to what? C, name this as 4. Similarly, can we say? Similarly in triangle PQR also, right? Similarly, direct right, what? PQNR is a parallelogram, and if it is parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. PQ equals to RN, name this as 5, and PR equals to UN, name this as 6, right? Okay, यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया, ठीक है? Now we need to prove ABC similar to what? PQR. This is our motto. So see. Now you know this AB and PQ, they are in corresponding and proportional to what? AC upon PR. If I show these two angles are equal, yes. So can we say ABC are similar by SAS, right? Side angle side. So I will name this as 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we can do it, right? So see what we will do now. So now we are almost finished half the question. Remaining half we are proceeding. Yes, right. So we will use this given data, right? If you use this given data, what will happen? First one, AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR equals to AD upon PM. Yes. Now I will focus on this triangle ABE and PQN. Okay. So for that I need AE and PN. I am focusing on now first ABE and PQN. If I show ABE and PQN are what? Are similar, then I can say angle 1 equals to angle 3, and similarly angle 2 equals to angle 4, right? See now, instead of AB upon PQ, it's okay. We are taking ABE and PQN. So AB and PQ, okay, but AC upon PR, can we change? Instead of AC, can we take B? Because we have written AC equals to B. Yes, AC equals to B. Okay, so here instead of AC we will write B. Okay, and this AB upon PQ as it is. And instead of PR, can we take QN? Because PR and QN are what? One and the same. Yes. And now we are thinking of ABE triangle and PQN triangle. Now AD plus AD, can I say it is 2AD? It is AD and this is also equals to AD. So can I say, can I add here 2AD? And you are also 2PM. Because I want side AE. मुझे AE साइड चाहिए, तो अगर AD को अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो मुझे AE मिलेगा, राइट? सिमिलरली PM दिया है, यस, आई वांट PN. अगर मुझे PN चाहिए तो PM को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? If I multiply PM by 2, I will get PN, right? So here we can write the reason. Here B equals to QN and all that. You can write here from 3, 4, yes, from 3 and 6. From 3 and 6. We have done this B and QN, right? and here this is just as adjustment. So 2AD upon 2PM. So 2AD upon 2PM. So 2AD means what? 2AD means A. From the figure you can say. And 2PM means what? PN. And here AB upon PQ, B upon QN, right? See, which triangle we have taken? ABE and PQN. AB upon PQ, B upon QN, and A upon PN. So we can say triangle ABE similar to triangle PQN by SSS similarity criteria. Okay, so we can see angle 1 equals to angle 3, angle 1 equals to angle 3 by CPCT. Similarly, you can take ACE and PRN. Okay, similarly triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN by which criteria? By SSS similarity. So you can say angle 2 equals to angle 4, right? Name this as 1, name this as 2, no, 6, 7, and this as 8, right? Yes, right. Now, so if we add this, we'll get angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 3 plus angle 4. And you know, angle 1 plus angle 2 is angle A. You can say that is angle BAC. And angle 3 plus angle 4 is angle QPR. Name this as 9. Right? So already we have AB upon AC given, right? AB upon PQ given, right? AB upon PQ and AC upon PR. Right? It is given. Name this as what? 10, and it is given. Right? Now it is almost true, yes? Just you have to write the last statement, what? ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS. See, AB upon PQ, so AB upon PQ given, AC upon PR, this is also given, and this we have proved angle BAC equals to angle QPR. Angle BAC and angle QPR are what? Equal. So from 9 and 10 you can say this. This is obtained from 9 and 10. You are getting triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, hence proved.